What's this game called? Rally ball. Woo. Whoa.
Oh, we lost it.
You guys look like a couple of clowns.
I kicked it.
Oh.
I kicked it again.
Oh, you kicked it again.
Oh!
You missed it.
Oh.
I need a camera.
No.
No, I want my phone.
I'm recording. Don't grab it from
No,
me.
I want the
You can have it as soon
camera.
as I'm done. Okay? Don't hit Brett.
You can't go through here. Go the other way.
You can have it as soon as I'm done, Brett, okay?
My serve. Oh man, I missed it.
How could you have missed it doing that move?
It just goes by you.
It's because our bodies are clear. That might have something. Ooh, now I'm hoping catch track. You two out.
It looks like you're playing racquetball without a racket. Really? You have to do the ass move?
Sir. Well, it worked. Did you see me get it?
Wiggle it again.
Did you see the character?
I couldn't take my...
Yeah, look, it does it.
I couldn't take my eyes off of you.
It always hits his head.
Okay, this is a perfect commercial for the Kinect. You guys look like you're flying angels.
I'm an angel.
Yeah.
The angel Gabriel.
I'm out of water.
Are you guys done with this already?
No.
All right. Well